What's happening here? Is that hairline taking a road trip to the back of her head? You're a wizard, Harry. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my barbecue. So, as always, I ask my followers on Instagram to put their work into the hashtag SamRoastMe10. And today, we're gonna end them. Let's get right into it. Beautiful. I've seen this reference before and I've thought about using it for one of my pieces, but you beat me to it. Good job. Okay, listen here. I really like that you decided to go for like a fisheye kind of perspective for the background, but I feel like that might have thrown off the proportions on your characters because her head is large and her arms look so small. Why so small? Come on. These are not human arms. She looks like a T-Rex. Oh my God, the hairline on this one. This is a self-portrait? Oh, I'm sorry. I like the colors in the background. I like the colors on the skin. I like the way you rendered your character, but it almost looks like you took her head and you were like, what are you? And she was like, I'm an idiot sandwich. And then you just squished it. You could probably bring out the volume of the head a little bit horizontally. Beautiful striking colors with the red and the light blue. And this piece actually shows one of the most powerful art hacks that you could possibly do. And that is, when in doubt, cover it all with hair. Beautiful blurred background. Look at the lights there. There's so much motion. It gives the scene a sense of story. It gives the character a sense of belonging. I love it. Listen guys, backgrounds are a responsibility, but so are hands. Stop running from your responsibilities. If I catch you doing this again, I will come find you and I will destroy you. Speaking of finding and destroying you, do you guys worry about your privacy online? Well, this video is sponsored by Atlas VPN. Atlas VPN was developed by cybersecurity specialists in 2020 to make the internet secure and accessible for everybody. Atlas VPN stops ads and malware, blocks malicious links and trackers, and notifies you when somebody's trying to steal your data. It also allows you to find the best deals while shopping online, including subscription services like Netflix, as well as airlines, hotels, and more. Atlas VPN provides you with blazing fast speeds for streaming as well as gaming, and it also protects all of your devices via one single subscription. Right now, Atlas VPN is running a huge discount. It means that you can get a 3-year subscription for just $1.39 a month, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And time is running out for this deal, so click on that link in the description below if you're interested in protecting your safety and security online and you don't want me to come find you and destroy you. Shout out to Atlas VPN for sponsoring this video. Now back to our barbecue. Gorgeous lighting, beautiful motion in the scene, but boy, why he looking at her like that? My God, I thought she was eating the cat. I'm glad to see that she is not though. Don't eat your pets, guys, unless it's a hamster. Okay, a nice grayscale portrait, but I feel like her eyes might be just a little bit low. You could move them up a bit. Wow, what a beautiful painting, but good Lord. Okay, so you've got nice colors and rendering, but something is off here with the size of his head compared to the size of his hands. I mean, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Why is he in space? This is a nice study of water, but you ain't slick. You ain't slick. Wow, what a guy, what a guy. But don't smoke, kids. Smoking's not good for you. Why not do this? Come on, guys. It's almost Valentine's Day. Just let us single people exist in peace, please. 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 Oh, I see what you did. His one eye is black and the other eye is white. It's the inverse of the other it. However, I'm gonna now introduce you to something that you will not be able to unsee. Look at it when it's small and it from far away. Doesn't it look like doesn't it look like he's cross-eyed? Like he's looking at something very close to him? I'm sorry, I just destroyed your OC. Jesus. Oh God, he looks like a sleep paralysis demon. What is happening here? Why is he eating McDonald's in the graveyard? What's the story here? The atmosphere looks great though, but like this is not very sanitary, is it? Oh God. Oh, what have you done, dude? What have you done? What have you done? Oh, I love this. I love the colors here and the simplicity of this drawing. And the fact that you flipped it upside down so it's harder for me to spot the mistakes. Very well done. That's a big brain move right there. Good job. All right, so I love the lighting, the rendering here. It looks really, really good. And I like that you're trying an expression, but like I could tell that she's smiling. But the longer I look at it, the more I get the sense that she might also be in pain. I think it's something to do with the shape of the mouth where she almost looks like she's going like, but that's like a minor nitpick. Okay, overall, very, very good piece. Guys, remember the proportions of the face. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. In this case, the forehead is way too small and the top of the skull is way too low. So your character, once again, is missing a brain. I gotta do this every time. This here is the skull of my enemy. And look how big the top of the head is. Okay, don't forget your foreheads. Don't forget your craniums. Look at me, look me in the eyes. Brain need place to stay. The whole reason I do this is so that one day I don't have to bring out the skull of my enemy. Oh. This must be her reaction to seeing this portrait of herself. Oh my goodness, what's happening with the forehead here? What a beautiful portrait. Nicely done. I'd like to see just a little bit more definition on the hand though, because right now it looks a little bit muddy. Can't really tell what's going on there exactly. Make that a little bit more defined and you're good. Stop running from your responsibilities. Oh, beautiful. You got the likeness down. The moment I saw this, I was like, you're a wizard, Harry. Now, I know you're doing an animated style, but his chin is a little bit big. And you know, coming from me, that's saying something because I got a big old chin myself. I do. You know what? I think your lighting looks good and I appreciate the fact that you're putting an expression on your character. But I don't know, something about her proportions. I think the head might be a bit small and combined with the posture, she reminds me of someone what's that guy's name? Master Oogway. Do you see the likeness? Oh Lord, what have you done? You were just doodling because you had an art block and you ended up making this and you love how it turned out. You know what? Listen, if you're happy with this and this got you out of your art block, I'm happy for you. Good job. You keep that up. You do look a little bit creepy. Spider-Man, only one brush too. I like that. Simplicity. You know, there are certain aspects of art where we could simplify things, where we could do a little bit less. But the back of the head is not that, okay? Why is Spider-Man missing the back of his head? Do you see this? Get it together, collect yourself, breathe. So I don't know if like, okay, so the painting is nice, but like I'm a little bit confused. You drew this and then you captioned it Daddy. It's what is, okay, a drawing I made, too lazy to draw the body. Well, the body's not the only thing you missed. Where are the eyebrows? All right, cool pose, cool character, but her head is just a little bit small. I'd take a lasso tool, select the entire head, and just blow it up a little bit if I were you. There's no way, you did this on purpose. What's happening to this eye right here? You did this on purpose. You sneaky little... Okay, so this here is a pretty common mistake with 3/4 views, okay? The eyebrow is coming all the way out here, but it should wrap around just to the transition point between the front plane and the side planes of the face. It should not extend all the way back here. Go back in there, bring that eyebrow back. Get some help. Oh, beautiful. Oh God, she's red. Oh, well, that's nice, yeah. Oh God. Okay, so a common trend that I'm seeing with today's entries are heads that are way too small. All right, silentist. If you're watching this video, sit down, take your lasso tool, select the entire head, and expand it, okay? It'll make your character look that much better. And while you're at it, go get some help. Oh yeah, sure, you don't want to draw the eyes, so just put a bucket on your character's head. And my God, that nose is massive. Oh, look at this guy. He's like, is that the size of your nose? It's bigger than mine. Okay, a cute character looking at a cute butterfly, but boy, her neck's, come on now guys, we're drawing humans, not giraffes. Please get it together. You know what? Props to you for putting in the back of the head. Dude, what is that? What is that? Oh man. So we've been talking about putting the cranium into your characters, you know, and people not putting enough space in there for the brain. I think in this case, there is a little bit too much cranium. Now follow along with me. I want you to take your hand and cover the entire top of this character's head past the eyebrows. Are you doing it? Very good. Now imagine where that top of the head would be. What would it look like? Can you see it? Because I can see it right now, okay? It looks pretty good. Now take your hand away. Ah! You've created an alien. This is me looking at your guys' work. Wait, that's kind of sick. I like how you put in the transparency in the shadow too. That's really nice. I think just for future reference, maybe blur the edges of the shadow just a tiny bit so that it's not as sharp as the subject in the foreground. So there's a little bit of depth. Okay, you know what? First of all, where are the eyebrows? And second of all, where is her hairline going? What's happening here? Is that hairline taking a road trip to the back of her head? Where is his anatomy? Where are his arms? Where do the shoulders start and where do they end? Oh man, what a perplexing painting. Wow. Well done. And that's the original reference. Well done. Very well done. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh man, that is disturbing, but kind of cool. That's kind of cool. All right, once again, guys, too much cranium. that head is a little bit too big. And again, too much cranium. Guys, beautiful rendering, but again, guys, too much cranium. I hope you know I'm joking. Before you go to the comments, I'm joking. Stop. All right, look at that. Exhibit A of my disturbed. Oh God. Oh dear. Oh my God. My followers are so disturbed. Oh, look at that Peppa Pig shirt on me, dude. That's kind of cool. I like that. All right, guys. So we have a mermaid here who happens to be also a baby goat. Oh God. You know, I can physically feel the life force leaving my body as we speak. Oh, what have you done? I can't even help you now. Okay, I would tell you to go get some help, talk to people. I really don't know what that's even gonna do for you. Oh God. Oh. You know what, guys? I'm gonna end this video on a good note, okay? I'm gonna find something good. There we go. What a cute little guy. Look at him. Beautiful. And I like the subsurface scattering that you did on the ears. Thank you for washing the bad taste of those nightmarish drawings out of my mouth with this cute little guy. Thank you. Well, that's all for this roast video. I hope you guys were thoroughly entertained, and I hope maybe along the way you learned something new. Remember, guys, the next time you draw a portrait for a character, think about the skull of my enemy, okay? Look at him. Remember him. All right, think about the skull of my enemy the next time you draw a portrait. My mission is so that one day when I make one of these videos, I don't have to bring back the skull of my enemy. Come on, guys, you can do it. You can do it. Get it together. Anyways, guys, don't take anything I say in this video too seriously. It's for the entertainment of the people. Deep down in my heart, I'm super proud of you guys for putting your work out there and sharing it with the world. Shout out once again to Atlas VPN for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check out the link in the description below if you value your privacy and security online. That being said, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more art content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully with my sanity intact. Guys, look. How nice. Look at them. Anyways, that's it for today. See you guys next time.